Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to watch YouTube and use other apps on your Android device. Okay, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, let's go ahead and open up YouTube right here. Just tap on it, wait for it to open. And once it's opened, okay, you gotta want to tap on this navigation tool. Okay, tap on it. And once done, tap and hold onto YouTube like so. And you can just go ahead and easily drag and drop it right here at the center of your screen if you want the pop-up view. If not, you can go ahead and tap and hold it until you go to the top, and you can just go ahead and drop it right there. And once done, go ahead and select the apps, okay, or recent apps that you would like to open. For example, I'm going to go ahead and open up a browser like Chrome, like so. As you can see here, you can just easily scroll through maybe reels or shorts right here, or watch a whole YouTube video. Just tap on it, and at the bottom you can go ahead and try reading something if you want to do whatever you want. Okay, and that is it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.